I failed my first competitive exam. I studied 12 hours a day, gave up everything, and still failed. But the system I used to pass on my second attempt was totally different. By the end of this video, you'll know the exact planning system I used. But first, you have to avoid these 3 deadly mistakes. Have you ever felt like you're studying hard but not getting results? Like you're putting in the hours but nothing is sticking? Well, I'm about to share the study planning system that helped me crack my exam on the second attempt. And the best part? It's not about studying more hours. It's about studying the right way. All right, let's talk about the 3 mistakes that are killing your preparation. You're probably making at least one of them right now. Mistake number 1, the marathon study session. You know this one. Sitting with your books for 8, 10, or 12 hours straight. Sounds impressive, right? Wrong. Your brain isn't a machine. After a certain point, your ability to retain new info just drops off a cliff. We'll talk about the right study duration in a minute. Mistake number 2, treating all subjects equally. This one is sneaky. You give 2 hours to math, 2 hours to science, 2 hours to English. Seems fair, right? But it's totally inefficient. We'll get to the formula I use to prioritize subjects in the planning section. Mistake number 3, no buffer time. This is the biggest one. You plan every single hour, but then life happens. You get sick, a family function comes up, or you're just burned out, and your entire schedule collapses. But you can plan for the chaos, and I'll show you how. A schedule that worked for your friend might be a disaster for you. You have to build your own, and it starts by answering these 4 questions. Pause and write these down. Question 1, how much time do you actually have? Be honest. Don't plan to wake up at 4 a.m. if you've never done it. Calculate your realistic available hours after sleep, meals, and other non-negotiables. Question 2, what's your exam pattern? Is it theory or problem solving? Are there negative marks? What's the weightage of each section? Question 3, what's your current level? Take a mock test. Seriously, don't start planning until you know where you stand. This is your baseline. Question 4, how many days until your exam? This is your deadline. The way you plan for a 6-month prep is completely different from a 3-month sprint. Got your answers? Good. Let's build the plan. All right, this is the core of the system. Step 1, the 60-30-10 rule. This is how you allocate your time. 60% for your weak subjects or topics, 30% for your moderate subjects, 10% for your strong subjects. Why? Because improving your weak areas gets you more marks than perfecting what you already know. Step 2, the 90-minute power blocks. Remember those marathon sessions? Ditch them. Study in focused 90-minute blocks, then take a real 15 to 20-minute break. And by real break, I mean get up, walk around, get water. Do not scroll social media. That's just more input, not rest. Step 3, the priority matrix. Take all your topics and divide them into 4 categories. High importance plus weak understanding, do these first. High importance plus strong understanding, do these during your peak energy hours. Low importance plus weak understanding, do these if you have time. Low importance plus strong understanding, quick revision only right before the exam. This is the formula. This alone will save you hundreds of hours. Step 4, time blocking. Here's a sample. Morning, your toughest subject, the one you hate. Mid-morning, second priority subject. Afternoon, post-lunch, light revision or practice problems. Evening, a fresh topic or a subject you enjoy. Night, 15-minute review of the day, plus plan tomorrow. But what if you're not a morning person? Simple. The rule is, toughest task at your peak energy time. If you're a night owl, do your hardest subject at 10 p.m. The template doesn't matter. The principle does. Okay, you have the schedule. Now, here's how to make it stick and actually remember what you study. 1. The buffer day. Remember mistake number 3? Here's the fix. For every 6 days of study, plan one buffer day. This is not a holiday. It's a catch-up day for missed topics, extra revision, or if you're on track, a mental rest day. This prevents your whole schedule from collapsing. 2. The active recall method. When you study, don't just read. After every section, close the book and ask yourself, what did I just learn? Write down the key points from memory. This is called active recall, and it's scientifically proven to be way more effective than just rereading. 3. The mock test strategy. Take a mock test every single Sunday at the exact time as your real exam. This trains your brain and body for the pressure. And here's the secret. Analyze your mistakes for at least as long as you spent taking the test. A 3-hour exam needs 3 hours of analysis. Your schedule will break. Life will happen. The goal isn't to be perfect. The 80% rule. If you complete 80% of your daily plan, that's a win. Don't beat yourself up over the last 20%. This removes the pressure and keeps you from quitting. The weekly adjustment. Every Sunday, review your week. What worked? What didn't? Adjust next week's schedule. Your plan should be a living document, not carved in stone. The burnout prevention. Take one full day off every 2 weeks. No guilt, no books. Your brain needs to recover. Recovery is part of the process. So we covered the 3 deadly mistakes, the 4 foundation questions, and the 4-step planning method. We also added game changers like buffer days and active recall. But watching this video doesn't change anything. Doing it does. So here's your task. Spend 30 minutes tonight building your schedule using the 60-30-10 rule and the priority matrix. And if you want me to make a video on subject-specific strategies, comment exam ready and let me know which exam you're preparing for. If this video helped you, smash that like button and subscribe, because in the next video, I'm revealing the memorization techniques I use to learn thousands of facts for my exam. You have the system, now go execute.